This is Uncle Bobo's outdoor show right here. How do you like? I made a hammock out of a tree. I call it nature. Do you think you could figure something like this out? I doubt it. I'm gonna dedicate this to my boy Chris out there in YouTube land. Dog, look at it, man. It's amazing. Look at they go up to the top here. This is like a trip here, man. Man, it could be an alien baby in there. Let me poke it. Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! Get out of there! We're trying to hatch this son of a gun right now. Come on out of there, punk! Now! Bobo said no! Oh, see, I got my primitive spear here. What the fuck? Help me! See, we have private planes. We dive out of airplanes. We're paratroopers. Motherfucker editor keeps stealing my beard. Fucking dick. Motherfucker. Kurwa lachom, ja go przyciągnę, skurwysyn nie wyjeba do domu. Ja pierdolę ciebie. You bother me, man. Uncle Bobo show, dog. We're smoking with saran wrap. Smoking marijuana. Tyrese Soap and Laundry, man. I'm telling you now, man, they got the best bud, Tyrese Soap and Laundry. Yeah. Call us, man. We have drones that'll deliver it to you, man. We got a special airfield and shit, man, hidden in the fucking jungles. Man, please, man. You would trip out if you seen this kind of scenery like that.